Okay, so we're bouncing between lanes. Oops.
Oh.
What's going on here? Okay, so we have a swerve.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Spicy Tech. I am Mark.
I'm Cry.
And today we'll be doing a drive-through through fog and icy road conditions. So it's going to be very interesting to see how it handles.
You've been waiting a long time for this.
Now enter the roundabout and take the third exit.
Oh, okay, a little spicy.
I'm going to slow down the speed a little bit here because we are going around the roundabout.
In icy conditions.
That might be icy, yes.
Well, there's some salt that went down already, but you still want to be careful.
You can see the high beams are also on as well.
The auto high beams.
Yeah. And there's not stopping here, so I mean, I would have done that.
It's pretty confident. I mean, it's pretty clear as well. It's one of those roundabouts where you don't have like the bushes in between.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I mean, just to note too as well, we have it on average settings, and this is 10.69.25.1. We haven't gotten the .2 as yet.
In 200 meters,
but
turn left onto
so far so good. And in fact, I believe I kind of really like average mode, to be honest. It seems to be performing much better than chill mode.
But I prefer the principle of chill mode.
Now turn left onto Young Street.
Oh, shameless plug, by the way. If you want to see more roundabouts, we have some roundabout challenges up already, so you can check those out. Do we have one in this current update or the previous updates?
In the previous updates, yeah.
Okay, we have some previous ones. I'm not sure how much difference you're going to get, but check that out if you are interested. So let's go around this here.
And and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell if you like our content. We really appreciate any kind of support that you have to offer in terms of comments and feedback too as well.
All right, good lane change.
Because we have that right turn coming up in 400 meters.
Yeah, pretty quick. Oh yeah, one thing too is it gets pretty messy.
Turn right onto Gamble Road.
Like the windshield, and it doesn't really clean it much.
It takes a while for it to respond to actually clean it. Yeah.
Turn right onto
I realized that too as well.
Yeah, it got pretty bad earlier. May have a short of that, but yeah, it was pretty bad, and we're pretty concerned.
Stopping here. It needs to stop because these guys are making a left turn.
Oh,
yeah, I had to stop.
Okay.
I had to disengage there because it wanted to
go with them.
Yeah, that actually could have.
You could, but it's 50-50 because sometimes they don't go into the correct lane.
Right.
So you got to be careful.
So we played it safe there. I mean, should we count that as a disengagement? I mean, I think it was more of a driver, a me thing in terms of being safe.
I mean, it should take that into account.
It should be safe too as well, yeah.
I mean, until everything else is FSD or any kind of self-driving, you can't really. Even this version does that too.
It does, yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's a big chance to take, and I think it was the right move.
You see here that the windscreen is dry, and it is more or less dry, but it's not actually cleaning it. It's just wiping.
Yeah, it has the debris, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap that on there.
I think I have seen it. It does do the water.
It does cleaning, yeah. It does do the cleaning sometimes, but in this situation, it should do it. I think it's because of the fog. It's going on the actual camera, so it's not actually cleaning it. Wow.
Whoa. Okay, we're not doing that. That's not happening in these conditions.
Yeah, so he was going at least 80.
That's not 80. That's like 100.
Probably.
That's like way double our speed. So probably like 120 or something. I don't know. Yeah, don't do that. Don't set your FSD to do that either. Just don't.
So we just made that
this
left.
Is interesting.
Turn left onto Bathurst Street.
So this lane. Oh, actually, yeah, we should be in the left lane. Okay, she's going back.
Okay, so we're bouncing between lanes. Oops.
Oh.
What's going on here? Okay, so we have a swerve.
Yeah, there's some
A swerve
swerving.
there.
Now turn
Oh, I
left
hope we
onto
make it.
Bathurst
Oh, no.
Street.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, we're not.
It's a no. It's okay, it happens. Alright, here we go. Right away.
Okay,
And
just
some
making this
high
left turn
beams
here.
there. Ooh, a little
boy.
close to that side.
Yeah,
Not preferable.
and then it rockets around that corner to get up to speed.
Yeah, it doesn't really need to get up to speed, to be honest.
These roads are really foggy.
Yeah, and they're pretty wet. We're dabbling between or around 0 degrees Celsius. Have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit. So we're in pretty dangerous conditions.
Yep.
Just because it can freeze over at any moment if it just dips to like minus or 0. So a lot of this could be frozen. We had some salt trucks, but still, take your time.
But it is handling decently so far, pretty good. Except for that last when we were going to make that left turn, it just bounced between lanes and then made a kind of
it starts
swerve.
swerving
Yeah.
into the left, the previous or the prior left turn lane, which we weren't supposed to be in. Because if there are
Exactly.
some people trying to get into that turn, we would be hitting them.
Yes.
I mean, I don't think it would literally hit them, but still not good. And it's like scary for people behind you.
Exactly. Yes.
Thought it was a different
We
one.
just had some slight phantom braking there. Not too sure why. But if you know why, just leave a comment. Let us know.
Alright. Nice. That was actually a really nice stop, I will say that.
Yeah, it wasn't abrupt. It wasn't sudden.
It is really gradual, which is what you really want for these kind of conditions.
Exactly. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. It's a slower start than usual. No, it's not this one. Oh, okay, there we go. We have a lane change. That's not good because
but I
we're
don't-
turning
yeah.
just now.
Because we had that same thing, right? We were gonna make a left turn, and then it went into the right lane when it was approaching that left turn. So
yeah,
it's strange
this is
behavior.
Just asking for problems.
yeah,
This is not good. I mean, luckily there's not too many people, but then when there are a lot of people, it gets really crazy.
In 300 meters,
yeah. I think
go right onto
and then
Major
we're
Mackenzie
bouncing between
Drive
lanes. It
West.
looks like, yeah.
Yeah, this is really weird. Why are we doing that? Hello? Someone please explain what's going on.
Yeah, let us know. Let us know what you think is going on here, because it's,
Yeah, we need
Now go right
some
onto
conspiracy
Major
theories in the
Mackenzie
chat.
Drive
what?
West.
Is it avoiding some invisible object, or
We have
it has to
be
make
in
this
there.
turn here? It wants to do it. Does it do it? Is it gonna do it?
Oh,
No. It
Okay, that's
didn't do
a
it.
huge disengagement. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I feel like we haven't had a disengagement like that in a while.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, what was that? I mean, I knew that was a tricky turn. I'm not gonna lie. And then, oh, okay. Did you indicate?
It indicated, but it kind of swerved.
Oh, but it actually noticed that the lane was ending, and it indicated. It doesn't normally do that. It just brute forces it.
We're gonna have to go back and post and see if I indicated, to be honest.
Okay. No problem.
I'm not too sure if I did.
You're gaslighting yourself. I'm sorry. I had to.
Wanna
No, that was weird.
give it a little wash here because it's getting very, what's the word, murky?
Yeah, the roads are okay-ish. I'm shook by what I just witnessed. Yeah,
this is
that's
what
the street. Oh, sorry.
That's
go
what we're talking about here. Like, you can see, in terms of my visibility or our visibility,
ahead. It's horrible.
it's bad because there's water all over the windshield. But I'm guessing, or I'm assuming for the car, it might be clear, and so it's not actually wiping the screen.
It's kind of terrifying, though. I'm not gonna lie. Especially because it's expecting you to be responsible and you know, manage the safety of the ride, and this is not helping. That's even worse.
I think it heard you, but it didn't wash.
It didn't do the job.
So it's just spreading
it's
the.
Really dirty. Yeah,
yeah,
there's a lot of debris and dirt on the road, and it's just splashing up on us, and it's just making it worse. So we gotta use a lot of washer fluid right now.
Yeah. Switch some lanes here.
It's a little strange because our next turn is a right.
So it seems to be consistent.
That's really weird. Why
Consistently
is it doing that?
making.
And then it's going back, but this person is there, and it's not going back anymore.
Oh, we have some construction here too as well. Oh.
Let's see how it goes. Well, there's no left turns here now.
Just going to clean.
For your own sake. Yeah, let's see what is going on over there. Well, we have some lead cars, so it looks promising.
Okay, so we have some construction here on either side. We have some merging lanes either. No, okay. I mean that's fine.
Well, we have the. Oh, gotta be careful.
Car coming out here.
Yeah.
Okay. That wasn't the safest of turn of lane
That's the
changes.
best timing, yeah.
Yeah. But it made it. It was fine.
I wonder how it would do without the lead car, though.
It probably would have kept in its lane. Because right now I think it's trying to see which side is moving faster than the other. I mean, but then it would have stayed in the left side. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, we're
in
still
the
trying to
comments,
figure it out. Still a mystery. It's a really gradual stop. Like, I almost don't believe we're in the same car. It's crazy. I feel like chill mode was actually worse.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
That's
like
what I don't
average.
understand.
I think average seems to be the sweet spot right now.
Or like the chill mode. The current chill mode. It was so aggressive when we were doing chill mode, and then now on average it's just like completely normal, which makes no sense. It should be the opposite.
Didn't want to give that car a chance.
The person behind
I wanted to give it a chance, but FSD, Marsha was like, nope. We have even worse conditions now because this car in front of us is actually adding to the.
The smog.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Melville
Get a
Avenue.
Tesla.
Getting
Don't smoke the atmosphere.
getting our money's worth with this tester.
We're getting extra smoke just in case. Oh,
Giving you all the
it's
different
coming up.
scenarios possible.
Is it here?
No, is it?
Now
no,
turn
it's
right
here.
onto Melville
okay.
Avenue.
Oh boy, this looks okay, not as bad.
Okay, that was very good. Then make that immediate left because we have a left in coming
In
up
200 meters,
in 200 meters.
turn left onto Roseheath Drive.
This is a tricky one.
Okay, so he stopped
Okay,
before us. Let him go. Then we can go. Okay,
A little swift. A little too swift.
Yeah, a little too.
Alright, let's see how this goes here.
Just stay on its right side. Give that
Okay,
the other
we're
side
good,
some.
we're good. I thought that car was parked on the
Now
road.
turn right onto Creve Avenue.
This is an unmarked road, so.
Okay. A little overly cautious, personally. compared to the other things.
Oh, somebody here.
Person.
Now turn
Okay,
right onto
nice.
Thurso Close.
And this is our last turn.
Right here.
And there we go.
Wow.
Yay.
So, I mean,
Now your destination is on the right.
I'm going to say that this is a really, really good run. I mean, for foggy conditions, icy road conditions, I didn't really have to change any of the settings much. And we were running on average, and I'm really impressed with average mode, to be honest with you.
I'm surprised. I'm just shocked.
We had only 2 disengagements. We had some swerving, but besides
and
that,
a really bad turn.
yes, and a really bad turn.
A really bad right turn.
So I mean, besides that, let us know what we missed. Comment.
Overall,
Again,
I'll give it like a 7.
a 7, yeah, but it's getting better. And before I really didn't trust this build.
I feel like we were losing hope.
Yeah.
At some point.
Right, exactly. But now, it's improving. Even with this version, it seems like it's actually improving, which is strange because normally you would expect an improvement to be done with an update, but there wasn't any update done on this car. Besides,
not that we know of.
Not that we know of, unless it was done
A secret
behind the scenes. But yes, I mean, I could say, unless it was the difference between chill and average just seems to be really nice right now. I'm liking it right now. And,
it's performing more chill than chill, which is really weird.
Like, it is confidence inspiring. Like, it makes me feel a little bit more relaxed on the road, which that's why we're saying it feels like a chill mode.
Exactly.
So, again, leave some comments, like, subscribe, click the notification button, let us know how we can improve. We love creating these videos and we'd like to create more.
Quick shameless plug. We're also on Instagram and Twitter, trying to get started on there, trying to share some of our reels and thoughts. So connect with us and follow us and like us and everything. Yeah. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.